This AI tool can literally rank your videos higher on the YouTube, and because it is optimized for the SEO, it will rank higher and get the more views. All you need to just add your link here, and after that it is going to analyze, suggest you the titles that have the chances to go viral. It will even generate the description including the timestamps, and the best part, there are the hashtags that are the really relevant to your topics. And the best thing, that is my favorite, it is going to generate the thumbnails, and look at the thumbnails, these are looking really attractive. So in this instance, you can know they have the really high chances to clicking on them. So the tool name is the Taja.ai, and it will help you to optimize your videos for the better SEOs, so it can rank higher on the searching here on the search bar, and after that you can see your video start getting the more views. So in this video I'm going to give you a detailed review on the Taja.ai, how you can use this platform. And you see, I have used a lot of my videos for testing this platform, and I'm also going to share out my experience after using this platform. So currently Taja.ai available on the lifetime deal on the AppSumo. Let me go to the AppSumo so I can show you its deal and what are the things you are getting its lifetime deal. So simply go to the appsumo.com, search the Taja. By the way, you will also find the link in the description. This is the tool I am talking about, and look at the pricing. This is the lifetime deal. One time payment you have to pay, and after that you will get the lifetime access. So let me go to the plans and features. Let me scroll down. You will see the some of the claims, what are the features and what are the things you will get. You can see lifetime access to the Taja. You must all the future updates, and you can stack up to the 4 codes, and there are the multiple plans available. In the single plan you can see some of the limits available. You can get only the 4 videos, description, titles, chapters, hashtags, and even the thumbnails. In my suggestion, if you are doing 1 video per week, this plan is good for you. But if you are doing the multiple videos, I suggest go with either it's 3 plan or the plan 2. Okay, so you will find the link in the description, and there's also a 60 days money back guarantee if somehow you are not happy with the platform. Okay, so now let me back to the its dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Once you got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and it will also help you to connect your YouTube channel, and after that it will show you all the things that will really engaging to grow better as the channel on the YouTube. It will show you all of your channels customer persona, what are the prime audience for your YouTube channel. It will show you tags and keywords. It will show you high performing content, and if you want to optimize any one video, let me do that for you. So simply click here on the YouTube video. After that it will ask you the URL of that video, so simply let me copy it here. By the way, I already used this video for the optimization, but don't worry, I am doing for you again. And after that, it will ask you the keyword, so you can add the keyword here. For me, this is the product SaaS tool, so I am adding the guide jar review. Now after that, let me click on the optimize. Now it is uploading its video and the analyzing. After that it will suggest me some titles, description, hashtag, what I need to change or what I need to do for the SEO optimization to rank it better on the search engine, because YouTube also has the search engine. You can see it will take some times around all the things that it is doing right now. Okay, so please wait some here. Okay, analyzing is done, and now if I scroll down below, you can see it is suggesting me some of the titles that I can use for the better engaging as the reading and the clickability. You can see guide jar review, step-by-step demo effortlessly, how to easily onboard clients with guide jar, $49 lifetime deal, unleash guide jar's full potential, and it is also giving you the score. 100 means the higher chances. So I think this looks really good here. If I scroll down below, you will see every title, how it will look like on your thumbnail. It is showing you, so it is also really beneficial if you combine the thumbnail with the title, how it is engaging looking like, and reading. It is also the really important factor. And if I scroll down below, there are the description that is automatically generated by this tool itself. You can read out. There's also the thumbnails and the hashtags available, so everything is generated with this platform. And if I scroll down below, there are some hashtags available in the text option. I can just simply copy it and paste it there. And the best thing here, you will got the thumbnails that you can use for the for your videos. This is the best part. I like it. You can see these are the thumbnails, so everyone is looking really cool. And somehow if any of these things you didn't like it, you can just click again on the continue or the re-optimize description or the redesign thumbnail. It will create or generate the fresh new batch for you. And there's also the one more feature that is really good for me. With the single button, I can just implement all these editings to my video. For example, currently this is the video. Okay, this is the video I'm talking talking about, and you can see the title and everything is the different here. So if I click here on the sync to YouTube, this everything that is the setting is now applied to my video. Okay, so your video has successfully been synced to the YouTube here. So let me go to the YouTube studio and show you whether the actual these titles, thumbnails, or the this description is added or not. You can read out here. So this is the previous I am showing you here, and this is the fresh new, everything added here automatically. Okay, so that this is the best part, and this is Taja for you. So I have told you what the Taja platform, I have told you its lifetime deal that is currently going on the app. So starting from the just $49, you can use this platform to SEO optimized for videos or the YouTube channel. You can also turn the long video into the multiple short clips. Okay, so let me show how you can also do that. You can check it here. So here it will start appearing the generate the clips. So simply click that, and after that you will see that it will start showing view shorts. Means it has just generated the clips here, and you can see here these are the clips. There's the new title with the score again, new description, and these tags for your shorts, so it can also feels relevant for YouTube algorithms. And not you can check it out here, this can also turn the shorts into the clips. So you have to click again on the click to generate clip, and it will start generating the clips for you. So let me play a clip for you. Basically it is the short clip for you. So if you click here, it will start playing.
This AI tool can literally rank your videos higher on the YouTube, and because it is optimized for the SEO.
See, it feels really good here, isn't it? Okay, so this is the Taja.ai, extremely good platform that I think you should not miss out. And after a long time, it's back again on the app. So much starting from the just $49. This is the so much affordable pricing that I think you should not miss out compared to those tools that charge monthly or the yearly subscription charges. And if you still want to know how this tool is good for or not, you can just read out these reviews. It has around the 60 plus reviews available, and if you read them out, you can check out how people are enjoying this tool using for their YouTube channel. You can check it out, all these reviews here. So if you want to check the deal, the link will be given in the description. And there's the one more thing and the surprise I want to give all to you guys. I am recently running a giveaway on my channel for this tool here, BurkWP. If you have the WordPress site and want to boost its performance, its speed, so it can fast load and it can get the 90 plus score on the Google page speed inside and rank articles higher on the Google. So this is the tool and the WP plugin you can use for your WordPress site. Its pricing is $39, but here the surprise, I am doing a giveaway on my YouTube channel. Recently I got the 2000 subscribers milestone, and in that happiness I am doing the giveaway. So you can be one of the 100 winners who can win the BurkWP plugin with the premium license code here. All you need to just go to this link here. You can find this link in the description and enter the giveaway here, and within the just around 16 days I will announce the 100 winners. So what you can get here, you will get the plugin that will be absolutely free. How to enter? You have to like the video, you have to subscribe my channel and enter your email. That's all. And after that you can see this is the BurkWP benefits for this giveaway I am giving out, and this is the license code, how you can redeem that. This is the instructions I have added here. So simply click here on the enter to giveaway and you will be participate in the giveaway. Okay, so that's all for today's video I want to talk about. Make sure you check out Taja.ai. Don't miss out this tool guys. This is the really amazing tool. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.